Today I'm checking this battery because customer complaint is every time you try to start the car won't start, and you have to give the battery a boost, a jump start, charge it up, and then it's gonna run fine. So easiest way to check the battery voltage is with a multimeter. You want to put it on DC voltage, 12 volts or close to that, or up. I have it on 20 volts here, and the black lead is in the black lead, the COM, and the red lead is in the red lead, not a DC lead, and the black lead connected to the negative post, and the red lead to the positive post. And you want to check for a voltage here. Check how many volts the battery is putting out. Supposed to be 12 and 12.5.
Oh, that's a yellow card.
12 and a half.
What? You're gonna keep showing commercials on this thing?
And to check the alternator also, you want to start the car up, and it's supposed to move like 1 volt up. If it stays the same, that means your alternator is not charging the battery, or the battery is not good, it's not holding the charge. Okay, the car is on. As you can see, it's 13.81 volts. So that means the alternator is charging the battery. But if it keeps dying, that means the battery is not good. The battery needs to be replaced. Or there's a drain in the battery, something is draining the battery. Right now I have the headlights on, and the heater or the AC. You see, put a load, I'm putting a load on it, and it's still keeping up at 13.15.